Hi everyone. Today I want to show you a unique gardening concept that completely transformed our home's exterior. Instead of keeping all our plants restricted to the ground, we installed these custom planters directly on top of our 8-foot boundary wall. Walking up from the street, you get this beautiful view of multicolored moss roses cascading down, giving the home facade a stunning, vibrant look. The other plants of copperleaf and dracaena also look stunning from street. To give you a better idea of how this looks structurally, here is the view from our 3rd floor. From up here, you can see how the planters neatly sit on the wall, acting as a natural green bridge between the street outside and our private facade patio inside. It utilizes dead space beautifully while adding privacy. Now, the biggest question with an 8-foot high planter is, how do you water it? We designed a built-in solution. We ran a clean line of green water pipes right up the wall with individual opening valves. By standing right here in the patio and turning these integrated taps, the entire system gets irrigated in seconds without needing a ladder or creating a mess. This unique setup keeps our plants perfectly hydrated, saves a ton of floor space in the patio, and looks incredible from every angle. If you enjoyed this creative gardening idea, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out Dozro for more practical tech and design tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.